Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management here at 463 Woonasquatucket Avenue, Unit 18, North Providence, Rhode Island. Second floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. Kitchen area, kitchen and dining area, high ceilings, stainless steel refrigerator, state-of-the-art gas stove, plenty of cabinet and countertop space, double sink. Across the dining room there to your right, you have a back entrance, leads down to the basement with extra storage, coin-operated washer dryer, as well as a back entrance, closet there. Big living room with large windows for plenty of natural light. Closet in the corner there. Bedroom area. Very spacious, can fit a king set if needed. Closet right there. And then we get to the bathroom area. Bathroom is in the bedroom. Shower, tub, and vanity. I'd like to schedule a viewing of 463 Woonasquatucket Avenue, Unit 18, North Providence, Rhode Island. Click that show mojo link at the bottom of the screen. Pick the time that best suits you. Or if you'd like to beat the rush and apply now, click apply now, fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.